What's up, guys? FSC Speed Shop. I wanted to bring you a different kind of video since we've been coming down to the Chicagoland area, checking out Chicago. I wanted to try to bring you a different kind of video. The last two videos, we just checked out the generic mayhem, but during that time, I've met a few people, made a few friends. So last week, I put a post up on the Facebook page that says, hey, anybody with an interesting car want to have a car specifically shown on the videos? So I got a handful of replies, and this is going to be the first of hopefully many. Right behind me is a 2019 392 Charger. So we're going to go ahead and talk to Al, owner of the car.
How you doing, you guys?
So Al, go ahead and take it away. Tell us about your Charger.
Well, this is a 392 2019 Scat pack. Mainly 485 horsepower, 6.4 liter. Nothing really much to it besides it's powered by SRT, so you know what the whole car is about.
All right, well, how long have you had it?
I've been having it for about 7 months already, and it's doing a great job.
You bought it brand new?
Brand new, off the lot, 0 miles.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, definitely, it is nice.
Me and my son did a video from the Chicago Auto Show, and to be honest, we were looking at the, I don't know if you've seen that video, but at the Dodge booth, we were looking at the Charger, the new wide body that they came out with for these.
Yeah.
Now, my son, we were looking at the Hellcat, the Challengers, the Chargers. My son, for whatever reason, loves the Chargers the most.
Yeah, definitely. It's a beautiful car, man. You got 4-door sedan. You got, I mean, keeps the family, and still with the speed, that's more than enough.
Well, we're gonna head and get into this Charger. Enough of us yapping. Let's open her up and see what we got. Your SRTM Chicago sticker on the back of your car. Go ahead and tell us about them.
Well, it's the Chicagoland SRT. It's a bunch of Hellcats, Trackhawks, a bunch of Jeep SRTs, and anybody welcome to join if they want. They could shoot the club a message, and if you want to join, you could always be welcome to join.
Claims to me this is stock exhaust. Do you believe him? Or do I just don't know anything about these cars? But for the time being, we're gonna say stock exhaust. Let's hear what stock exhaust sounds like. Give it a couple good rips. Maybe I need to get one of these. Go back a few videos, you'll see. Go back to Chicago Auto Show with the orange Charger. Maybe I need to get one of these. By the way, do yourself a favor. Do me the favor. Do Al the favor. Subscribe to the channel. Again, hit that notification bell. We'll bring you more videos like this. Like I said, this is the first specifically coming down here to look at a very specific car. More to come. So subscribe. Al is going to go ahead and take us for a little ride. So without further ado,
Let's get to it.
There it is. Got all kinds of options on this display, don't we here?
I'm gonna give it a shot of sports.
Now I get it, not everybody lives up here in Wisconsin. Some of you lucky bastards live down south or out in Southern California or somewhere where it's reasonably warm. It's supposed to be in the 50s today, so yeah, traffic is going to be a little tight today. We'll make it work. How many miles you got on this beast now?
9,037 miles.
And you've had it for not quite a year.
No, not quite a year yet.
Just listen to that thing just rumble. We're just sitting still at a light. Gotta say, I love the sound of this thing.
Yeah, definitely. Every single day I wake up, most beautiful sound ever.
What kind of work you do?
Actually, I'm a machine operator for a packaging company. That's pretty much it.
Car like this makes your day all worth it.
Oh yeah, those 12 hours of a beating, well worth it.
You know, I did see a very inspirational Facebook post about this car. In that same post where I put up about trying to film other cars, somebody mentioned about, hey man, that's a wonderful car, dream car. And his reply was pretty much, you know, work your ass off, keep your goal in mind, keep working hard. That's how you get stuff like this right there. And he put it right there on Facebook. I never in a million years thought you'd be talking about that today.
Oh yeah, right.
But it's the truth.
Yeah, definitely it is. Are you ready for a little pull?
Go for it. Like that, brother.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Pretty hectic.
Hot alert.
Whoa!
To be honest.
You ever run this on a track?
Not yet, but soon. Hopefully this year. This year, get some drag radios, and that's the goal.
My son used to do junior drag racing at Union Grove over there up in Wisconsin, so I'm well familiar with that track. So if you ever bring it up there, you need to give me a call.
Will do. Will do.
How many modes does this have on it as far as its driving modes? I notice you set it to track, and now it's more in an eco mode now.
Yeah. I think it's just about the 4 options it has, and I guess it's just I think this 2019 has a adjustable suspension for track and sports. It adjusts, well, depending if you want to race somebody or anything, pretty much.
So I'm seeing you got it's got a race mode,
Yeah, definitely.
for track, sport, custom, and auto on the top. And I'm looking at the bottom where it says race options.
Click on that for you. Oh, it's launch control and line lock. Forgot about that.
Factory line locks.
Yes, sir.
Well, that's better than melting your rotors down when you're trying to do a burnout.
Yes, sir.
How many of them have you seen to sit there and do a burnout? Now it's all cool. Don't get me wrong. I ain't gonna bitch if you want to do that or not. But you see guys are, the brake stand, and so they're defeating the traction and defeating their brakes. And when they're done, their rotors are literally glowing in the dark.
Oh yeah, I seen that.
That's a way to set your car on fire is what that is.
Yeah.
So this car's got factory line locks in there.
might but first I stretch. Tell them run it off. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check. No drip, this. Tell them run it off. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might but first I stretch. Tell them run it off. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm #1 up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check. No drip, this. Tell them run it off. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might but first I stretch. Tell them run it off. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check. No drip, this. Tell them run it off. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might but first I stretch. Tell them run it off. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call them
That's nearby, you would think there'd be a lot of people want clean cars. Although some people do show up with cars that, come on man, run through the car wash. I gotta wipe it. I mean, some stuff, I get if you got a mud truck or something, you want to show up all muddy, but road salt don't look good on anything.
I'm on the come up, bet I live up to my name.